thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the Rose War Panty Power subscription. So if you don't know what this is and haven't seen my past unboxings, let me tell you a little bit about it. So Rose War Panty Power, or RWPP, whatever you want to call it, is a monthly period subscription. Well, it's a subscription to help enhance your time of the month, your period. So in each box you get 15 organic period products. So it could be tampons, pads, or a mix of both depending on what your preference is. You get 2 brand new pairs of underwear, which is super awesome. You get 3 to 5 lifestyle subscriptions, and then you also get some extra treats and samples as well. This box costs $25.20, and there is a shipping charge. There was a code that was working before. If that is still working, I'll put on the screen and down below to save you a few bucks. And yeah, this is what the box looks like. Super cute and fun. The link will be down below, of course. And yeah, let's get started. When I open it up, it is totally full, and it says, "Welcome to the May box full of joy." And what's inside this month? You get 100% organic period products, 15 total valued at $7, 2 undies whose prices range each from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. So we pretty much said that. And oh, that's so nice. It says a special gift is included, which is authentic CM KN95 mask, so a face mask. That is so nice for them to send this out as an extra gift, since masks are hard to come by these days and very necessary, especially if you have to go out in public. So thank you. What a great gift. And then, since the boxes are customized for each subscriber, it just checks off here what is inside. And underneath those 2 items, everything is wrapped up in this pretty tissue paper. Alright, let's start what is right on top. This is Organic and Botanic Mandarin Orange Restoring Eye Cream. And this is pretty big. It looks like it's 15 milliliters or 0.51 fluid ounces. It's vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, natural. Oh, so this is by Dr. Botanicals. I really like that brand. At first I didn't know. I thought Organic and Botanic was the name of the company. Maybe it is. Oh, so this is just in the same company line, but like maybe like a sister brand. It says this is a combination of hydrating and nourishing actives that aims to leave the eyes awakened, bright, and rejuvenated. It's made with almond oil, which is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, working to soften and hydrate. There is some fragrance in this. Usually I don't like fragrance in my eye creams just because it's really unnecessary, but it looks like it's pretty far down on the list, so hopefully it's not too much. This is what it looks like. And I guess I'll just put a little bit on my hand. I've never used well, it's not really an eye cream. This is an eye serum. So it's a liquid. So there's a little dropper here. I'm just gonna put a drop on my hand. Yeah, it does smell a little bit like mandarin, but it's not strong. Yeah, so I don't know really what I'm showing you. It was clear and just absorbed really well. It doesn't feel tacky or anything like that. So I'm excited to try it out and see how it works. I'm always on the quest for like the perfect eye cream or eye serum or eye product to get rid of these puffy eyes I suffer from. Next up we have something here by CB & Co. The Blue Lagoon Shimmering Body Tonic. Can I speak? Sometimes when I film, the first time I actually talk is that day is when I'm filming, so I stumble over words a little bit more than usual. But anyways, it says on here, it's a fruity blend of bitter orange and lemon. Brighten your complexion with our Blue Lagoon inspired body tonic with added shimmer to give you a beach ready glow. I feel like I received something from this brand before. Was it in this box or another? But you can shake it up and there is a little bit of shimmer in there, it looks like. I'm gonna take a sniff. So you shake well before use, slightly massage upward in circular movements until the product is fully absorbed. Oh my god, it smells like how it looks, like a tropical drink. Nice. Oh, and I wasn't saying the prices of everything, I apologize. So the eye serum by Organic and Botanic is $28. And this must be the surprise gift, and this has a value of $10. Oh, I see some treats. Let's talk about those next. Oh, we have a Nature Valley, the peanut butter dark chocolate protein bar. I've tried Nature Valleys before, but not one of them that is labeled protein bar specifically. So you get 10 grams of protein in here. This sounds really good. And then more treats here. What is this? I've never seen this before. Vienna coffee, cocaine. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so I'm just going to show you up close. I'm not sure what this is. It's like a little bar that you eat with your coffee. Nice. We have a High Chew Soda Pop little candy here. Oh wow, there's a big box here. So another lifestyle item. This is by Skin Chemist London. It is the biotin, caffeine, and collagen hair treatment mask. Oh, cool. I've never had caffeine in my hair mask, I don't think. So this is supposed to be fortifying and smoothing and strengthening and hydrating. So caffeine works to target the hair loss hormone, DHT, and combats the hormone by causing hair cells to produce ATP, a form of energy that encourages hair growth, leaving you with strengthened, healthy hair. And then collagen works to add lightweight moisture to the hair without stripping your scalp of its natural oils and promoting excess oils to produce. Biotin is a B vitamin that can help thicken hair and stimulate hair growth. I love that they explain everything on the labeling, so let's get this out and look at it and sniff it. I always want to know the scent. I wear hair masks every time after I wash my hair. I only wash my hair about every 4 to 5 days. I think I'm on day 4 here right now, so if it looks a little greasy, I'll be showering tomorrow. So yeah, since I don't wash and condition too often, I like to use a hair mask as my conditioning step. Oh, it smells good. It has a citrusy type of scent. And this is a big jar, it's full. So I will definitely use this. And this has a retail value of $26. And then, oh, we have another little candy here by Macguel, if I'm saying that right. It's a strawberry candy. I love strawberry flavor. Let's talk about our period products. So I get a mix of tampons and pads here. So there are a mix of super and regular of the tampons, and the pads come in varying absorbencies as well. I love that we get a mix of both, and I extremely appreciate that they're organic products. I try and use only organic period products, so love that we get those in here. And then like every month we have 2 of the Eurovagenius wipes. I love the name of these. So they're like down there wipes. They're flushable, biodegradable, and they have a rose water scent. So these are always convenient to have around. And then last but not least, we have our 2 pairs of underwear. They're in this little bag here, so let's get them out. Wasn't the last product, actually. There's one more candy here, and it's in a cappuccino flavor. Yum. I can totally use another caffeinated beverage right now. Oh man, how pretty is the color of these? Oh, so the first pair, this beautiful yellow color, perfect for spring. So pretty. So it's just like regular underwear, I'd say, like regular cut. It says this is by Umita, and it's super soft. That's what the labeling says. It does feel really soft. So this is made with 96% rayon and 4% spandex. I love the color of this. And the lace part of it is super pretty, super cute. Will totally get a lot of use out of these. And then we have a thong, which is super cute too. I wear both kinds of underwear depending on my outfit and stuff like that. So yeah, this is black and white striped, and then there's a pink lining. I think that is so pretty. And these seem like they'll be comfortable too. So when you sign up, you'll let them know your sizing and all of that and your preferences. This is by Secret Possessions, and what is it made out of? It is made out of 100% cotton. Awesome. So that was everything that came in our box. I think this is such a fun subscription, and in terms of period subscriptions, I think it's pretty unique since we get some underwear as well. So we get period products, underwear, treats, and some skincare. Like a lot of my favorite things. I mean, my period's not my favorite thing, but this does sure help make it better. So thank you guys all for being here and unboxing this with me. The link, and if I can find that promo code, will be down below. And yeah, I love you. I hope you are safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.